Hi, in this video you will learn what is Power Apps and why you should use it. Let's get started. Power Apps is Microsoft's low-code application development technology. Traditionally, only professional software developers were able to create an application as it requires deep technical expertise on a programming language, how to write code, implement a solution, and deploy it for testing and for end users. Power Apps facilitates that process and makes it much simpler and faster because it allows you to quickly create applications without needing to know a high-code programming language. You can create an application with simple drag and drop functionality. This enables people that don't have programming skills to create an application as well. Being low-code doesn't mean it is not no code at all. Power Apps might still require you to do some coding. For that, it uses a language called PowerFX, but it is way simpler than traditional high-code programming languages. It is similar to create Excel formulas if you are used to that, so coding is minimal. And that is why it is called a low-code development platform. For professional developers, Power Apps is a way to speed up time to deliver solutions while it still allows you to use your skills to create high-code solutions and integrate it to Power Apps to enhance the solution even further. With Power Apps, you can also build applications that are responsive. That means they will work on different types of devices, such as computer browser, tablet, and phone. The main place to store data for Power Apps is called the Microsoft Dataverse. Dataverse is basically a database. It has all of the main features of a traditional database, plus many others. Watch the other video here in the channel to learn more about Dataverse and its features. In case you don't want to use Dataverse, Power Apps allows you to work with several other data sources to store your application data. From a simple Excel spreadsheet, Microsoft Access or SharePoint, to the most traditional robust database products such as SQL Server, MySQL, PostgreSQL, and Oracle. There are more than 1,000 connectors to Microsoft and other vendors' products that you can use. And you can build your own customer connectors to other data sources as well, in case that's needed. Power Apps also offers AI to help you build applications. That is called Copilot. With Copilot, you can simply write how you want your application to be using human language, and it will create it for you. You can try Power Apps for free. At the end of this video, there will be a link to a video that shows how you can create a free account to try it out. And there will be also a link to another video, which is a quick Power Apps tutorial that shows how you can create your first app. Here are some examples of applications that you can create with Power Apps. This is the budget tracker application. You can create a project, the budget for it, and then add expenses. Then you can see how much it was spent and the remaining budget. This is a service desk application. Users can create new tickets, and then the support team can track the tickets, change the status, see how many are in progress, how many are closed, and how many are on hold. This is the store inventory application. You can add products on the store. You can see how many units you have for each of the products. You can see if they are good or if they are low in stock so that you can track if you are good or if you need to order more. This is an application to track your expenses. You can see which ones are open, which are pending, and which are approved. This is the customer success application. You can use it to track all of the interactions with a customer. You can see how many interactions you had to date, what is the service usage, how many work orders are in progress, how many sales orders you have. You can add customer feedback. This is the asset checkout application. It is used for people to make reservations of internal products used in the company, like a notebook, a monitor, and other office products. You can add a reservation, the start date, and when it should be returned, and then track that.